Welcome back. In this section we'll be talking about fog, how it's formed, and how it's classified. Fog is a cloud at the Earth's surface with a horizontal visibility of less than 5/8 of a mile, which is about 1 kilometer. It develops when the air at the surface is cooled to the air's dew point. In a previous section, we talked about temperature inversion and that fog can form during these situations. As a side note, fog is classified according to the manner in which it forms. In this example, this fog is less than 20 feet thick, so it's classified as ground fog. Radiation fog usually forms in low-lying areas like mountain valleys. Radiation fog develops when the ground cools rapidly due to terrestrial radiation. That's important to remember. And the surrounding air temperature reaches its dew point. If the radiation fog is less than 20 feet thick, it's known as ground fog. Pretty basic, right?